wanted to try to take our recycling program to the next level. We knew there was a lot of things we were doing, but we knew we could do more.
I'm Robert DuFresne from DuFresne Manufacturing, and we have a very strong leadership system which made it very easy to adopt this grant from Ramsey County.
So I'm a big recycler outside of work, so when I heard that we had a green team, I wanted to be a part of it. So the green team, we have 7 members on our green team right now. We basically chose different people that we thought would like to be involved, and also different people from key areas at our 2 plants.
Having this team in place has definitely helped us with implementing the recycling program, because we have employees that are really engaged and excited and passionate about the program. So.
DuFresne Manufacturing was supplying water bottles for free, kind of when you want water, you go to the lunchroom and you get a bottle. Some people drink more than others. We put the numbers together and we saw that we were going through and throwing out 14,000 water bottles a year.
Once we were connected with BizRecycling, it was seamless from day one, which is really a consultant that's contracted with the county for implementing recycling programs. It's really exciting for us because we learned through that process that we were able to potentially get about $10,000 per facility for our recycling efforts. The program is really taking off, and we've learned that we're having to process the recycling a little quicker than we anticipated, which is a good thing. So we're looking to soon get some new bins that are a little larger and contain more recycling on there.